This video is a demonstration of the small group investigation in lesson 2 called Investigating Gas from Bath Bombs in a Bottle. And it starts with 100 milliliters of water, which I'm going to use my scale to measure out. So I'll use the tare button to zero the scale, so I'm only getting the mass of the water. And I'll pour carefully till I get to about 100 grams. There we go, 102.1 will be fine. And then I need 8 mini bath bomb cubes in my plastic test tube. So I'll get those pushed in. They just fit, so it's a little bit of a squish. And then once those are in there, I'm going to very carefully put this test tube into the bottle. I don't want them to mix yet, so I don't want them to spill. And then I'll cap the bottle very tightly. And I want the mass of the whole system before I begin, so I'll use the tare button again. And I will record 141.8 grams. And then I can go ahead and mix the water and the bath bombs. And swish around, let them mix up. And you can see the bubbling starting there. I'll go ahead and keep letting the water and the bath bombs mix and those bubbles form for the next minute or so. And I'll pause the video till that bubbling stops. All right, the bubbling has stopped, so I'm ready to take the mass of the closed system again. And we are still at 141.8 grams. And now I also want to take the mass of the open system, so I'll uncap it. And be sure to include the cap as part of my system. My open system mass is 141.2 grams.